Yeah, started. So that is the question. So we'll see. Uh, so you have two inputs, right? G is one input and D is the another input, right? Then you have an output Q, right? So first what is we are going to see is we are going to see whenever G is equal to 1, whenever G is equal to 1, your output will be whatever be your input, whatever it be the input you are given in the D. So your writing is like D G bar output. If you are writing like this, G bar output, you are fixing G as 1, you are fixing G is equal to 1 and D, it means that the first condition, you are fixing G is equal to 1 and D you are varying from 0 or 1. Okay, you are varying D as 0 or 1. Okay, so that is the first condition. So we are considering D as 0 here. So G you consider as the 1 in the first condition. G is equal to 1 and D is 0 here. And another condition is J is 1 and D is 1. Okay. So here how you are going to write the output? In the first condition, whenever your G is equal to 1, output will be same as the D input. Output will be same as the D input. Here, G is equal to 1, your D input is 0. So, whatever be the output here, whatever be the output will be 0 only. Okay, output will be 0 only because G is equal to 1, here D is equal to 0. If G is equal to 1, output will be same as the D. Okay, output will be same as D. So here G is equal to 1, your output will be, the input D is equal to 0. So your output is also equal to 0. Okay. Then what about the second condition? Here G is equal to 1, this is G and this is D. G is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. What about the output here? What about the output in the second condition? So someone please tell, what about the output in the second condition? Here it was D is equal to 0, so output is equal to 0. Here D is equal to 1, what about the output in the second condition? What about the output in the second condition? 1. Yeah. The output in the second condition is 1. Okay. So, this is the first case. You do not know any state or any output. Only some conditions are given in the question, right? So, you have to design a circuit as per the conditions what is given in the question. So, we are finding out how many states it has. That's what first we have to find it out. How many states it has and what are the corresponding outputs. So this is you are assigning with the letter A. So this is the state 0, 1 with an output 0. You are considering it as A and 1, 1 with an output 1. You considering it as B. Okay. These are the two states. So first condition what you have taken is G is equal to 1 and D can be 0 or 1. That is the first condition. So you fix the G here, G is equal to 1 here, and here also G is equal to 1. You fix it, then you change the output here 0, here 1. Okay, so you got the corresponding output. This is your first condition. Then what is the second condition? If you change the G from 1 to 0, if you are changing the G as 0, whatever be the previous input, that again will be there. That is the condition, right? So what you have to do is this 0, 1, you are again divided into 2. Okay. Here what you are doing, you are, this is the first case. In this case, what you have to do is, you are fixing J is equal to 0. J is equal to 0 and D can be 0 or 1. D can be 0 or 1. In the first condition, you fix that J is equal to 1 and the second condition, you are fixing J is equal to 0. Right? J is equal to 0. So how can you change this g equal to 0 here? This one, first one, what you have to do, 0, 1. This is 0, 0. Okay, this is 0, 0. From this, you can change 0, 0. Okay, you are fixing this one as 0 and it can be 0, 0, whatever be the condition. So what is the output here? What is the output here? Your here output is 0. In the first condition, the output is 0. But here, from here only, you are changing your output value. So this is 0. You are making G is equal to 0, and your what you say D is equal to 0. You are changing only one bit at a time, right? So what is happening here? What is the output here? What is the output in this condition? Any idea what is the output in this condition? Because here G is equal to 0, it will retain the same output value. Okay, it will retain the same output value 0, right? So you can call it as this condition as, you can name it as C. You can name this condition as C. Okay, 0, 0, 0. This is the condition C. Then what is the next one? Again, you are here, we are considering from this condition, you are considering G is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. Okay, G is equal to 0, D is equal to 1. So from this condition, you can write this is equal to 0 again, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the condition, you can name it as D. This is the condition, you can call it as D. Okay. So these two conditions A, B, C, D you got. Then what is the next one? 1, 1. So 1, 1 here also we are putting like this. Hello?
Madam, we'll proceed.
This is B. Okay. So from here we are writing this is J is equal to 0 and you are considering your D is also equal to 0. Okay. What you are doing is you are fixing G is a 0 in the second line. Okay. Here in the first line here G is equal to 1 here. Here G is equal to 0. You are proceeding. Right. So this is 0, your G is equal to 0, you are making G is equal to 0 and D also you are considering it as 0 only. So what is the output value? In the previous condition, the output was 1. Okay, in the previous condition, the output was 1. So you can call it as, I think I'll call this one as F. Okay, this is F, actually E, that we will do it here. Here it is 1 and 0. Here it is 1. Only you are making this as 0 and this one as 1. So output is 1. Okay. Right. See, one second you can see, listen here. Here it is 1, 0, 0. Here it is 1, 0, 1. Okay. So you have to use different variables for 1, 0, 1. 0 is one condition. 1, 0, 1 is another condition. Okay, so you have to make like this. So this is your E, variable E. This condition is your variable E. Okay, is that okay? Is that okay? The condition is clear now. And here also 0, 0 bar 0. This is one condition and here it is 0, 0 bar 1. Okay. So this is another condition. So we are using two variables. One is C, another variable you are taking it as F. Okay, va? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. I think I suppose you have to write this one 1, 0 here
0.
and here you can put it as 0 and it will be easy. Okay. Because this is F, sorry, this is E and this is F.
Yes.
Otherwise, what is happening? No, you cannot change. Actually, 1, 1 to 0, 0 is not possible. Actually, right? So you have to come to 1, 0. Then only you can move to 0, 0. then only single transition will happen. Okay, wow. So the single transition will happen. 1 1 to 0 0 is not possible. That you cannot make 1 1 because 1 to 0 and 1 to 0. So two transition is happening there. So you cannot use that one. So 1 1 to 10. Here only one is varying, right? 1 to 0 is changing. So that is possible. From here to here you can possible. 1 to 0 to 0 0 is possible. So you have to write like this. E here and this one is F. Similar way here also 0 1 0 1 to 1 0 is not possible. As to why? Because 0 to 1 transition is not there. 1 to 0 transition, two transition will be there. That you cannot accept two transition. So what you have to do is 0 to 1 to 0 0. That is possible because 1 to 0 only changing, only single transition. That is possible. From 0 0 to C to D is possible. Okay. So that's why you have to write like this. The first variable C you have to write this one, and D you have to write for 1 0 bar 0. Otherwise it will get confused. That's it. Is that okay? Is the condition clear? Shall we proceed? Okay, we'll move. I think I'll write it here. So next what we are going to write is state table. Okay, state table. Here you have present state, present state, then input, then what is their output, then comment. So input is nothing but D and G. Output is Q. Okay. So you have how many states are there totally now? A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, okay. You are writing A, B, C, D, E, F. So what is A? A is nothing but 0, 1. A is nothing but 0, 1 with an output 0. Okay. A is nothing but 0, 1 with an output 0. What is B? B is 1, 1 with an output 1. 1, 1 with an output 1. Then what is C? C is 0, 0 with an output 0. Okay. Then what is D here? D is 1, 0, 1, 0 with an output 0. Then what is E? E is again 1, 0 with an output 1. Okay. 1, 0 with an output 1. What is F? F is 0, 0 with an output 1. Okay, so what comments you have to return here? This one, A is equal to 0, 1 equal to 0. That is nothing but B is equal to Q. Okay, B is nothing but Q because G is equal to 1. Is it clear? Okay, that line is clear. Because G is equal to 1. Okay, that is the first comment. A 0, 1 and Q is equal to 0. D is nothing but Q, right? D is equal to Q because G is equal to 1. Here also D is equal to Q because G is equal to 1. That is the first case. Then what about C? So C, what we have to write is A to B is not possible. So okay, so A to C, A to C. So this is after which it comes after state A or B. Okay, A or D. You can take from A to C or D to C. So both condition will be possible. A to C or D to C is possible. Okay. So A to C because after C is comes after the state A or D. Then what about D? D will comes after after state C. D comes after the state C, right? Then what about the case for E? E comes after B, okay? After B or F, okay? Because this is also 0, 0, 1, 0 is possible, 1, 1 to 1, 0 is possible, okay? So E state will comes after D or F. So what about F? F comes only after E. So after E, this is the state table. So you can directly write it from here. Okay, first thing is you have to make the condition input and output condition. From that you can derive the state table. So these are the present state A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is the corresponding input and this is the corresponding output. Okay. So here you can write it is a comment just like here what is happening, D is equal to G is equal to 1, so D is equal to Q. Here also G is equal to 1, D is equal to Q. In all other conditions, G is equal to 0. Okay, G is equal to 0. We are just mentioning, so C will comes after A and D will comes after C. Okay, like that. Wherever you are getting, how can you connect the other state with the previous state or other states? That's what we are mentioning in the comment box. Is that okay? Any doubt regarding this? Is that clear? Only 2 people are responding. Yes. What about others? Whether it's clear or not? Let me know.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, let's proceed. So next what we are going to do is primitive flow table. Primitive flow table. Primitive flow table. Primitive flow table. So in the primitive flow table, what you have to do is you have to put all the state and the corresponding output. So how many inputs are there? Inputs are your B and G are your inputs. Okay. So B and G are your inputs. So you can consider 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And in the row wise, what you have to write? You have to write the corresponding state. So the state is A, B, C, D, E, F. In the column wise, you are representing the input. So you have 2 input D and G. So that's what you are writing 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And here what you are writing? You are writing the corresponding state. Okay, so totally 6 states are there: A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the 6 states available. So you are writing the 6 states in the row wise. Okay, so the input in the column wise and the states in the row wise. You complete up to this, then we'll proceed further. Shall we proceed? So the first column, how can we fill this primitive flow table? First you consider your state A and this is your input 0, 0. So 0, 0, there are two 0, zeros are available, right? First one is C is 0, 0 and E is also 0, 0. So here what you have to check, what is the output here? Here it is 0 and here it is 1. So which one you have to select? You have to select the C yellow, right? So you can write C comma dash. Why it is dash? Because your output is not known. You do not know the exact output, right? So only for the corresponding value. So A is nothing but 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1 bar 0, right? This is A. So wherever it is having the corresponding input corresponds to the corresponding row, there only you can put the output value. Okay, or otherwise everywhere you are putting it as dash. You do not know whether it can be 0 or it can be 1. You do not know. So exactly 0, 1. If you are considering row A, the corresponding to 0, 1 only, you are getting output as 0. So you can put it here A comma 0. Here you can put it as A comma 0. Right. Then what about 1, 1? A is nothing but 0, 1. A to 1, 1. There is 1, 1. B. Right. A to 1, A to B is possible, right? A to B is possible because only one transition is happening. 0 to 1. This is 1, 1. Both are same. So you can put it as B comma dash. B comma dash. Next one is A is 0, 1 and the next column is 1, 0. There are two conditions for 1, 0, that is D and E. Whether any of these is possible, D is possible or E is possible. From A to D or A to E is possible. Is anything possible? A to D or A to E possible? So A is equal to, A is nothing but 0, 1. But this cell is corresponding to 1, 0. Okay. So 1, 0 means what you have to check is, you have to check whether I can make 1, 0 from 0, 1. A is nothing but 0, 1. Whether I can make 1, 0 from 0, 1. Is it possible? Is it possible? Whether I can make 1, 0 from 0, 1. Is it possible? No idea. So there what you have to do is 0, 1 to 1 to 0 is not possible. So what you have to do? you have to make both the values are dash dash. Okay, you are keeping both the values are dash dash. So next one is B. B corresponding to 0 0. B to B is 1 1. Okay, B to 0 0 is possible. No, it is not possible. So you are putting is dash and dash here. Then what is B? B to 0 1. B to 0 1. B to 0 1 is possible, right? So that is A comma dash. Okay, that is not corresponding to B. B is nothing but 1 1. So wherever it is coming, there only we can put the value. So B to 1 1 is B comma 1, right? Then B to 1 0. B to 1 0. 1 0, here it is B is there, E is there. Which one we are going to take? D or E? That's why we are writing the comment here. Okay. So for E comes after B or F. Okay. So you have to take the E value. E comma dash. So sorry, here it is B comma 1. B comma 1. Here it is E comma dash. Similar way, you have to complete the cells. Is it clear?
Madam Shell, can you repeat the primitive flow table again, please?
Yeah,
Because
sure.
the
Okay.
dash, zero, those areas we are getting confused.
So you don't bother about many things. You just want to check only one thing. A is nothing but this is 0 0. You don't 1 second. A is 0 0 1. B is 1 1. What is C? C is 0 0. And D is so 1 0. E is 1 0. And F is equal to 0 0. This is the value for your A, B, C, D state, right? So you are comparing A state with 0 0. So where A is nothing but 0 1. Okay, is that clear? Then you are comparing with 0 0. Whether A to 0. A is nothing but A is nothing but 0 1, and the first cell is 0 0. So we are going to try whether it is possible or not. Whether you can make from 0 1 to 0 0 is possible or not. That's what we are going to check, right? So 0 1 to 0 0. Here 0 0. The same bit is there. And 1 to 0. 1 to 0 is possible because there is only one transition at a time. Okay. 0 is remaining as 0 and 1 to 0 is happening. Okay. So you can put it as what is 1 0? Sorry, what is 0 0? 0 0 is nothing but C comma dash. Output value you do not know. The only output value which is known to you is A is 0 1. That 0 1, wherever you are taking this A here, there only you can put the output value, or otherwise you cannot put the output value. So here 0 1 and 0 1. A same one, A comma 0 you can put. Okay. Then next cell is 1 1. What is 1 1? A is nothing but 0 1.
Madam,
Sir.
Madam, there is a question. F எடுக்க கூடாதா மேம்?
என்னது?
F எடுக்க கூடாதா?
F எடுக்க கூடாது. That's what we are telling. No. That, yes. Yeah, it is in the comment itself we have written that C is coming after A or D. Okay. And this F is coming only after E. Okay. This F is coming only after E. You cannot take that one. And one more thing is here the output is 0. This output is 0, this output is 0. But here the output is 1. Output is changing. So you cannot take that one. You can take only C because that output is same as the previous case. So you can take this one only here. Okay, va? So if you have two conditions are there, you have two conditions either C or F. So C you can take after A and F you can take either B or C. That's what we are telling. Okay, va? Is that okay?
Perfect. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We can proceed.
So this is 0, 0. Next one is 0, 1 to 1, 1. 0, 1 to 1, 1. So this both are same. Only 0 to 1 transition is happening. Okay. So that is also possible. So 1, 1 condition you are taking in as B comma 1 you cannot take because you do not know the output. So you are taking B comma dash. Then next is 1, 0. What is 1, 0? A is equal to 0, 1 and next condition is 1, 0. Here one transition is happening, here one transition is happening. So you do not take that condition. You cannot take that condition. So what you have to do? You are making it as dash comma dash. You do not know the value. So you are keeping it as dash comma dash. Similar way, what about B? B is nothing but 1, 1. 1, 1 to 0, 0 possible, illaya? 1, 1. B is equal to 1, 1. The first case is 0, 0. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? Can we put any state or simply dash dash? Which one we can put there? B is equal to 1, 1. And your first condition, it is asking for 0, 0 state. Is it possible or not? Can you change both D and G at a time? Yes or no? No. Yeah, you cannot change because B is equal to 1, 1. The state it is asking for 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0 is the asking state. So you cannot change both the input at the same time. So it will be dash comma dash. Then what about the 0, 1? B is equal to 1, 1 and 0, 1. What is 0, 1? 0, 1 only A condition is available. So you can put it as A comma dash. You do not know the output value. Then B 1, 1. This is nothing but B comma 1. B comma 1. Then 1, 0. What is 1, 1, 0? So which one? B 1, 0 means D is equal to 1, 0, E is equal to 1, 0. Which one you will take? D or E? Which one you will take? D or E? Which one you will take? D or E? E. You will take E only because we are writing here itself. The E will comes after B. Okay, that's why we are mentioning here. E is coming after B. So you can take only E. E comma dash. E comma dash. Then this one C 0, 0. So that will be C comma 0. The same only, right? Then 0, 1. 0, 1 is A comma dash. Then 1, 1 is possible. C is 0, 0. It is asking for 1, 1 condition. Is it possible? C is 0, 0. It is asking for 1, 1 condition. Is it possible or not?
No.
No. So you can put it as dash comma dash. Then what about 0, 0 to 1, 0? 0, 0 to 1, 0. There is two conditions. D condition is there, E condition is there. Which one you are going to take? D or E? Which one you are going to take? D condition or E condition? E state. State D or state E?
D.
D, yeah, exactly. Because D comes after C, right? So D comma dash. Then what about the D ones? D. You complete for D, E, F.
That should
You
be
complete it for D, E, F.
Guys, take few minutes to complete the cells which are available in the row D, E, and F.
You can post the answer in this order. D00011110. Then E00011110. Then F00011110.
If you can put the roll number in the cells, they will be able to answer in the chat box, madam.
Sir?
If you can put the roll number in the cells, right? Like for, they will be able to
Okay,
answer.
okay. Three 14. Respond to D. State D answer.
314.
D row. State number, sorry, roll number 314.
Palani Kumar, I'm sorry. 314 is Harishma. Harishma, are you there? Yes. Let us know the value for the cells which are available in the row D. Okay.
Row D.
Yeah. And for the row E, madam, you can let somebody from B section.
242.
242. Okay. Shiva Shaktivel.
242.
242 Shiva Shaktivel, are you there? Yes, Shiva,
Yeah,
just
he's
give us the
also
value
there.
for the values in the row E. Okay. And for the F, somebody from E section, madam.
135.
135. Okay. Sonia. Madam, are you there? Sonia G. Yes. Sonia Ji, you will have to let us know the 4 values from the row F. Guys, if the answers are ready, other than these 3, you can keep preserve your
Those
answer.
people also can post in the chat box, no problem.
No, only these 3 people will be posting. Others will be checking what these people are doing, right?
Yeah, sure, okay. Otherwise,
So
if it is
comes
an
first.
open forum, only few people
Yeah.
are keep on responding.
Yes. Harishma, Shiva Shaktivel and Sonia. We'll wait till you put the answers, right? No issues. But not more than 3 or 4 minutes.
So we have
Hint
to
is that
finish
if,
the problem.
madam, the hint could be if there are 2 bits variation, it will be dash comma dash, right?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
one
sir.
thing.
Yes, sir.
And if the values are same, it will be the same one, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. If the values are same, then only you can put the output value.
Output value, yes.
Otherwise,
Okay.
you cannot put because you do not know what is the output. It can be any combination, no?
Yes. Sonia, yeah. F, comma 1.
F1.
F1, A1.
0, 0. This one is F1. F,
Yes.
comma 1.
F1, A, comma 1. A comma 1.
A comma 1.
1.
How the 1 will come there?
We'll first note down what they are saying. Okay, it is not
Okay.
A comma 1, it is A comma dash.
Okay, fine.
Dash comma dash.
Dash comma dash.
Okay. Then is the answers from Harishma. C comma dash. C comma dash.
No, that
Or
one more cell is pending, no?
E comma dash.
So,
E comma dash. It is E comma dash.
E comma dash. Yes, very good.
Is that correct? Others,
Yeah,
please
yes.
check the answers given by Sonia and let us know whether that all the 4 elements in the F row is correct. We want somebody to
F element is correct.
Somebody can acknowledge the answers of Sonia. Others, are you still working?
No response?
What is that? Dash comma dash. Okay, Shiva Shaktivel has come out with his answers. Just let us copy down, then we'll come back.
Whether it is D or E?
E. Shiva Shaktivel is for the 5th row.
Oh, okay,
Dash comma
sir.
dash.
Okay. Dash comma dash.
A comma dash. B comma 1. E comma 1.
Dash comma.
Only
one dash comma dash, right?
Yes. Then it is A comma dash. A comma dash. B comma 1. B comma 1.
B comma 1.
E comma 1.
E comma 1. How the B comma 1 comes? No, the answer is wrong.
Okay. Harishma comes with an answer for the row D. We'll copy it, then we'll come with an answer. C comma dash.
C comma dash.
Dash comma dash. A comma dash.
A comma dash.
D comma 0.
D comma 0. C comma dash comma dash. Only thing you need to check this one.
A comma dash.
A comma dash.
Row D correct.
Because 1 is only possible state is B. Okay. For 1 only possible state is B. So it must be B. B comma dash. All other things are correct. I think E row need to check it again. E row. This is not 1. This is the 10. Yeah, this is 10. I think that's why he might have. This is 10. E state is 10. 242. E is 10. Right. That's what we written here. Now you tell me.
Shiva, please check for the Shiva Shaktivel. Yeah, please check for that values. It is 10. So F correct, sir.
F, sir?
Madam, F is correct for the last
F
row.
is correct. D and F are correct. Only pending is E.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
So I think I will continue, sir, because we have to finish the problem. So the answer is
how to do it, so
F
we can proceed.
Comma dash comma dash, then B comma dash, E comma 1. This is your primitive flow table.
Dash comma dash, B comma dash, E comma dash. Exactly. Yes, it's right.
E comma 1. E comma 1. So this is corresponding to E row. So definitely E and 1 will be there. Output will be there for E.
Shiva, please check with these values. And we'll proceed. Madam, you can proceed.
Okay. Yeah. Next one is, this is primitive flow table. Next one is implication table. Implication table. So what you have to do this for this design of asynchronous sequential circuit comes. If you get a choice, you just go to the choice question. Okay. So it will take a long time. Okay. However, whatever we put in this problem also, it will take minimum 30 minutes to complete the problem. Okay. So that is our personal request. If you have a choice question, please go to the choice question. But if both A and B, both choices will be the same, we can't do anything. So that's why you have to. So next is implication table. Implication table, what you have to do is, again, this is a column wise we are putting. Okay. So this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so totally 6 to 8 will be there. So in the row wise, you have to write it from A, B, C, D, E. Okay, you can omit F. But sorry, this is in the column wise. But in the row wise, what you have to do is, you can write F, E, D, C, and D. Only up to this, up to B. You need not to write E. Okay. Right. So next one is okay. So the next one will be up to here. Then the next one will be this is your primitive flow table. Sorry, this is your implication table. This is implication table. You draw the table first. So this is nothing but what you are doing here. You are comparing A to B, A to C, A to D, A to E, and A to F. Okay. So from A, all the things you completed. Okay. So once it is coming to B, you need not to compare B or A because it is already compared here. You need not to compare B or A. So B has to compare with C, D, E, F. Okay. So A and B part is over. So once it is coming to C, you have to compare with the D, E, F alone, right? You have to compare with the D, E, F alone. So it is comparing here D, E, F. So once it is coming to D cell, D, you have to compare with E and F alone. Okay. And once it is E, you have to compare with E, F alone. Okay. So because E is already compared with A, B, C, D, right? You need not to compare it with the A, B, C, D because it is compared here. So you need to compare only with the F. So this is the implication table. Did you draw the table? Shall we proceed? Okay, I'll continue. Okay. So we are okay. First, we are comparing with the A and B. Okay, we are comparing with A and B. So from the primitive table, you can see here you are comparing. You are comparing A and B. Okay. The here first cell is C comma dash. Here it is dash comma dash. C comma dash and dash comma dash. If it is dash, it is not a problem. You can compare. So that is a don't care condition. So you can compare. It is not a problem. So this cells are comparable. Here it is a comma 0 and a comma dash. Because here it is dash, it is not a problem. You can compare the same thing. Then it is coming to this cell, here B same, dash comma 1. Dash and 1 is comparable. Here dash comma E, dash comma dash. So both the dashes are here. So it is also comparable. So what is the meaning? Cell A and B are comparable. So you are putting a tick mark here. Okay. Then we are comparing with A and C. See here 0 dash, that is comparable. A 0 dash, that is comparable. B dash dash dash, that is comparable. Dash D dash dash, that is also comparable. So A and C are comparable. Okay. Then comes to D. C and C comma dash comparable. A comma 0 dash comparable. B comma dash comparable. Dash comma dash C comma 0 comparable. So A is comparable with A and D. Okay, A is comparable with D. Now what we are going to check is C comma F. Is it comparable? C comma F, C comma dash and F comma dash here. A comma 0 dash comma dash. So that is comparable. B comma dash is comparable. Dash comma dash, E comma dash is comparable. So you cannot compare C and F together. You cannot compare C and F. So what you are going to write, you are just writing it here, C and F. You cannot compare C and F. Okay. So we are not putting a cross mark because we are going to check, we are telling C and F is not comparable. We are telling that because here it is C and here it is F. So C and F is not comparable. We are telling. So we want to check the actual cell C and F, it is comparable or not. Then only we can put a cross mark here. Otherwise, we are just putting like it as C comma F. Next one is A and F. A and F. What is C comma F? C comma dash F comma 1. C comma dash F comma 1, that is not comparable. A comma 0, A comma dash is comparable. B comma dash comma dash is comparable. Dash comma dash, C comma dash is comparable. So here also one thing, that is C comma F. E comma F is not comparable in this cell. Okay. Now we are going with the B. B and A already compared. So that is comparable. So B and C we are checking. This is comparable. This is comparable. This is comparable. Here it is E comma dash and D comma dash. It is not comparable. So you can put it as D comma E. Okay. D comma E is not comparable. Then next one is B comma D. B comma D. Dash comma dash, C comma dash is comparable. A comma dash is comparable. B comma 1, B comma dash is comparable. E comma dash, D comma 0. It is not comparable. So again you are putting it as D comma E is not comparable. D comma E is not comparable. Next one we are going to check B comma E. Dash comma dash, F comma dash is comparable. A comma dash is comparable. B comma 1, B comma dash is comparable. E comma dash, E comma 1 is comparable. So this is a comparable one. Then last one is B comma F. Dash comma dash, F comma 1. A comma dash comparable. B comma 1, dash comma dash comparable. E comma dash comparable. So that is also comparable. Now next one is C comma D. We have to check whether C comma D is comparable. C comma D, because this is comparable, this is comparable, this is comparable, this is comparable. So C comma D is comparable. Then what about C comma E? C comma F. C comma F is not comparable. A comma dash 0 is not comparable. Here B comma dash, this is not comparable. Here also it is not comparable. So that is D comma E and C comma F. So this is not comparable. Two cases are not comparable. So you can put it as it is not a comparable one. Okay, that is for C comma E. Then what about C comma F? This is C comma 0, F comma 1 is not comparable. Okay, this is comparable, this is comparable. Here also it is not comparable. So, and one thing you can check it here. Here the output is 0 and here the output is 1. Okay, from that itself you can make sure that this is not a comparable one. This is not comparable one. C comma F is not comparable one. So this cell is also not comparable and this cell is also not comparable because actual C comma F cell is not comparable. So you cannot compare E and F. So what about D? D comma E. D comma E is not comparable. Then D comma F. D comma F is also not comparable. Then what about E comma F? E comma F is comparable. Okay, you have to work it out that, then only you can write it down. Is that clear how you are comparing? Is that clear? Or do I need to repeat? Is that okay? Is that clear? Only
Yes, madam,
Sonia,
we'll
what?
proceed. We'll
I
proceed.
think. Okay, we'll proceed.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
D is compared with C and D, no ma'am. There also we can put into, no ma'am.
என்னப்பா புரியல எனக்கு.
D-ஐயும் C-ஐயும் கம்பேர் பண்றப்பையும் D-யும் E-யும் கம்பேர் ஆகலல மேம்.
Madam, when D is compared with
yes, because it is compared, yes, exactly, same, very good. This is also not compared. Because D is not compared, so you can put the D close here also. Okay, I forgot to put, sorry. Thank you so much. So, what are the comparable pairs? Next, we are going to write the comparable pairs. What are the comparable pairs? A and B is comparable. A comma B. Then, so wherever you have tick mark, you can take that one. AB, AC, AD. AB, AC, A comma D. Then what is next? BE, BF. B comma E, B comma F. Then what is next? C comma D. C comma D. C comma D. Then last one is E comma F. These are your comparable pairs. E comma F. Okay. So these are your comparable pairs. I will erase this one. Did you complete this portion? We can. Now, what you are going to do is, you are drawing a circle and you are going to mark your points A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, you are just marking, you are drawing a circle and you are marking all the states A, B, C, D, E, F. So now you are going to draw a straight line from AB is comparable, no? From A to B you are putting. Then A to C, you are drawing from A to C. Next one is you are drawing from A to D. This is D. This is A to D. Then what is next? B to E. B to E. You are drawing like this. B to E. Then B to F. B to F. Then C to D. C to D. Then the last one is E to F. Okay, you are drawing a complete. You are drawing straight line for the comparable pairs. Okay, so how many closed loop you have? How many closed loop you have? The number of the closed loops are A, comma C, comma D, and B, comma E, comma F. These are the closed loop. A, C, D. This is one closed loop. A, C, D is one closed loop. Then B, E, F is the another closed loop. Okay, you have two closed loops. First one is A, C, D. Second one is B, E, F. You have two closed loops. So this A, C, D closed loop, it means that A, C, D is having the same value. A, C, D is having the same value. So wherever you are, suppose you are going to name it as A, and this is you are going to name it as D. Okay. So in the primitive flow table, wherever you are getting C and D, A, C, D, you are replacing A, C, D with the A. Okay. And similarly, wherever you are having D, E, F, you are replacing D, E, F with the B. This is the meaning. Okay. So A, C, D is having the same value. So you are replacing it as A. B, E, F is having the same value. You are replacing the same with the D. So what you are going to do is you are splitting the primitive flow table into two. You are splitting the primitive flow table into two. Do you have any labs today after 3:30? 3:27 already.
It seems that's a value-added course. Okay.
Okay, then I think I suppose it's already 3:27, sir. Shall we close it?
Madam, how long will it take to complete? 10 minutes?
Around 10 to 15, 10 minutes it will take, sir.
10 minutes. Okay. Who is handling this value-added
course? Is it okay for you?
Hello, who is handling this value-added course? Can somebody put on the chat box? Who is handling this value-added course? Mahendran sir. Okay. Fine. We'll check. Madam, you can continue, madam. In the meantime, I'll check with Mahendran sir and just ask for 10 more minutes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Fine. Okay, sir. Okay. So we are splitting the primitive flow table into two. Okay. So first one is for A, C, D. A, C, D only we were writing it as same, no? So we are putting it for A, C, D. I'll finish it within 5 minutes. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is A, C, D. Similarly, you are splitting B, E, F in a single table. Okay, you are splitting B, E, F also in a single table. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is B, E, F. So whatever be there in the primitive flow table, you can just draw like that. A, C, comma dash, A, comma 0, B, comma dash, dash, comma dash. Then C, comma 0, A, comma dash, dash, comma dash, B, comma dash. Then C, comma dash, dash, comma dash, B, comma dash, D, comma 0. Okay, D, comma 0. Then what is next? Dash, comma dash, A, comma dash, B, comma 1, E, comma dash. Then next one, F, comma dash, dash, comma dash, B, comma dash, E, comma 1. Then F, comma 1, A, comma dash, dash, comma dash, E, comma dash. Okay. So what we have told, we can replace A sorry, okay, A, C, D with the A, C, D with A itself and B, E, F with the B. Okay, so how you are going to draw this one? We are merging the state A, C, D, we are merging together. This is merging, state is merging. This is A, comma, C, comma, D, then B, comma, E, comma, F. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, because everywhere this is C only, right? C and one output is there. So that output you have to take. So here you can combine together, you can write it as C, comma, 0. And here you can write it as A, comma, 0. Here you can write it as this is B, comma, dash. It is not given. So you can put it as B, comma, dash. And here you can put it as D, comma, 0. Okay, D, comma, 0. And what about here? Here you can write it as F, comma, 1. Here you can write it as A, comma, dash. Here you can write it as B, comma, 1. And here you can write it as E, comma, 1. Okay. So you are replacing A, C, D as A and B, E, F as B. B, comma, E, comma, F as B, A, comma, C, comma, D as your A. So what you are going to do here? Again, instead of A, C, D, what we are going to write here is, this is A and we are considering is B. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So what you are writing here, C you can replace as A, comma, 0. Here it is A, comma, 0. And this is B, comma, dash. What about D? D is also A, comma, 0. Then what about the second one? F is replaced with B. B, comma, 1. F is replaced with B, comma, 1. Then A, comma, dash. Again B, comma, 1. Then E, comma, 1. E is replaced with B. So B, comma, 1. Okay. Now this is clear. Now what you have to do is, here one dash is there and here one dash is there. So what you have to do, you check the previous and the next output. You check the previous and next output. So here it is 0, here it is 0. So you can directly put this one also as 0. Okay, because this state is 0, this state is 0. So you can directly put this state is also 0. Similar way here it is 1 and the next state also is equal to 1. So what you can put, and this state is also 1. Okay, this state is also 1. Suppose if it is 0 and this is 1, you cannot change anything. It can be don't care. It can be 0 or 1. You cannot change anything. But here it is 1 and this is 1. So you can put it as a 1. And here it is 0 and here it is 0. So you can put this dash as equal to 0. So next is what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the output circuit, output value. So in this, here you can see this A and B represent the excitation variable. Excitation variable is nothing but capital Y, and here you are giving A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. So when you are drawing this schema, this is A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You are taking A is A. This is A, B, A, and the last line is B, A, B, B. Okay, you are replacing A as 0 and B is equal to 1. So this is 0, this is 0, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0, B is 1, this is 1, A is 0, this is 1. Okay, so you find out the schema value. So This is one expression. So capital Y, this is the excitation variable, capital Y is equal to 1, 1. What is 1, 1? This is nothing but dg. Okay, this is dg and this is nothing but y. dg is your input, y is your excitation, secondary variable. Okay, so the answer will be dg plus y g bar. Then similar way you have to draw the output also. Output is this is b, you can put it as y bar y. Okay, and here also y bar y, this is y d g 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So you can take the output from here. So 0 0 0 0, then output is 1 1 1 1. So what is the output? Z is equal to y. Z is equal to y. So how you are going to draw the circuit? Instead of Q, you can put it as Q. Q is equal to y. We can draw the circuit. The circuit diagram will be, this is capital, this is Q. This is D. Here you can put DG bar, DG bar, and this is Y, right? This is small y. This is small y, this is capital. This is the output circuit. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So even in the Saturday
Madam?
class, we can continue. Okay. Okay, sir.
Madam,
Sir.
for the second AND gate, what is the input? Is it
That
G?
is G. Okay. Yes, it is G.
Okay. Yeah, that's G, right? So it is DG Y G bar. Yes. Okay.
If you have any doubt, we will discuss the same thing in the Saturday class. Okay.
Yes. Guys, we have informed the word to Mahendran sir. He has agreed till for some time. So once, Madam, shall we leave them?
Yeah, sure,
They
sir.
can
So let them. I think let them finish it off and they can leave.
Yeah, you can take a snap or you can take a copy. You recording there. Okay. Just make a note of it, and you can leave to the next class. Tomorrow, 4th hour, we have a lab, right? So 3:30 to 4:30, we have our lab class. We'll share the details about that in the WhatsApp.
This is also in Setu Madhavan Google Drive. 336
Okay.
Setu Madhavan.
Yeah.